In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another set of DIYs. So in today's project, I am going to be making some faux stone fall decor, and I'm going to be starting with these styrofoam pumpkins from the dollar store. So if you want to see how everything turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up, I'm using some acrylic paint to mix a cool gray color that I want to use to cover one of these styrofoam pumpkins, and I'm going to be doing 3 different colored pumpkins as the base. But first up, I'm just going to be coating this one completely with this color that I mixed using some white and a little dab of black acrylic paint. So this styrofoam pumpkin is also from the dollar store. I thought all of them opened, but this is the only one that I could get to open easily. So I'm just also coating this with another color of acrylic paint. And then I'm also making sure to paint the entire inside of the lid as well so that it matches the outside of the pumpkin. For this third pumpkin, I'm coating it completely and painting it with this hot cocoa chocolate paint color. And after all of the base coats dried, then I took it outside and spray painted it from different angles using the faux stone spray paint. The next decor piece, I'm going to be using these materials to create a cute modern display tray. So I'm going to be starting off with this sign, and I'm just going to be removing the string and also the additional embellishments on the top. And using some wood filler that I've used in previous projects and also home improvement projects, I'm just going to be filling those little holes that held the string so that it will have a seamless look to it. I allowed the wood filler to dry, and I coated it with about 3 coats of black chalk paint. Then I'm grabbing this wood block, and I'm going to be using this as the base. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and adhere both of the pieces together. And I ended up adding another coat of paint on top so you couldn't see the print underneath. for the next piece of decor, you can grab a foam noodle from the dollar store. And I already had some scrap noodle foam material, so I'm going to be using these to create some faux stone candlestick holders. And here I am just using a bread knife to make it even and cut it down to size. Now I'm just using some of the same acrylic paint that I used for the pumpkins to coat this and completely cover it on all sides. Now I'm using the faux stone spray paint to coat all the sides. And the way that I'm coating it with the spray paint, I still want the base color to still show through. And then after they dry, insert a battery operated candle inside. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.